Are you ready to make a real impact on the planet while building a profitable business? Welcome to the world of biofertilizers, where sustainable farming meets high profit potential. If you're passionate about agriculture and environmental sustainability, starting a biofertilizer production business could be your next big opportunity. Biofertilizers are more than just a solution. They're a game changer in farming. They help improve soil structure, increase organic matter, and even suppress harmful soil-borne diseases. With growing consumer demand for organic, pesticide-free food, the need for biofertilizers has never been more crucial. Plus, governments are stepping up their support for eco-friendly farming practices, making this a golden opportunity. Uses of biofertilizers. Biofertilizers enhance nutrient uptake by converting atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can use and making insoluble phosphorus available. They improve soil health by increasing organic matter, enhancing soil structure, and suppressing soil-borne diseases. They also promote plant growth by producing growth-stimulating substances like hormones. Starting a biofertilizer production business. Starting a biofertilizer business is a promising opportunity in the growing sustainable farming market. Begin by conducting market research to understand demand, competition, and customer needs. Ensure compliance with legal requirements by obtaining necessary licenses and certifications. Set up a production facility with the right equipment like fermentation tanks and packaging areas, and secure quality microbial strains and materials. Focus on strict quality control to meet regulatory standards. Create a marketing strategy to educate farmers on the benefits of biofertilizers and build a strong distribution network. Hire skilled personnel and secure funding through loans or investors. With careful planning and execution, your business can thrive in this fast-growing industry. Machinery and materials needed. To start a biofertilizer production facility, you'll need essential machinery such as fermenters for microbial growth, autoclaves for sterilization, incubators for controlled growth, and microscopes for quality control. Other equipment includes mixing tanks, filling and sealing machines, and packaging materials like bags and bottles. Key materials include specific microbial cultures, carrier materials like peat or lignite, nutrient-rich growth media, and appropriate packaging materials. Manufacturing process. The production of biofertilizers begins with the isolation and selection of beneficial microbial strains. These microorganisms are grown in large-scale fermenters using nutrient-rich growth media. The microbial culture is then mixed with carrier materials to create the final product. The biofertilizers are packaged and stored under suitable conditions to ensure quality and shelf life. Government licenses and compliance. Starting a biofertilizer business requires registration with agricultural departments, obtaining environmental clearances where applicable, and ensuring compliance with quality standards like ISO 9001. These certifications are critical to building trust and credibility in the market. Market demand and opportunities. The demand for biofertilizers is increasing rapidly due to growing interest in organic and sustainable agriculture. Governments worldwide are promoting eco-friendly farming practices, while farmers are becoming more aware of the benefits of biofertilizers in improving yields and soil health. Consumers are also driving this demand with their preference for organic, nutrient-rich produce, making biofertilizers a critical part of sustainable agriculture. Market size, growth, and trends. The global biofertilizer market is set to grow from $1.59 billion in 2025 to $4.71 billion by 2034, with a CAGR of 12.83%. Growth is driven by the rise in organic farming, increased awareness of biofertilizer benefits, and sustainable farming practices. In 2024, North America held the largest market share, 31.8%, But the Asia-Pacific region is expected to grow the fastest due to factors like population growth and government support for sustainable agriculture. Key trends include innovations in biofertilizer products, improved quality and consistency, and the use of biotechnology to enhance microbial strains and production efficiency. Factors for plant location. When choosing a location for your biofertilizer production plant, consider proximity to raw materials such as carriers, growth media, and microbial strains. Ensure access to skilled labor, adequate infrastructure like power and water, and efficient transportation facilities. Being close to major agricultural markets and benefiting from government incentives for sustainable businesses can also be advantageous. Why consider this industry? Biofertilizers are not just a product, but a sustainable solution to some of the most pressing challenges in agriculture today. They offer high growth potential, contribute to environmental conservation, and meet the increasing demand for organic and sustainable agricultural products. With strong government support and rising consumer awareness, starting a biofertilizer business is an opportunity to make a positive impact while tapping into a lucrative market. Are you ready to build the future? Then let us assist you. We can support your business with 30+ years of experience in supporting business with detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, market research reports, equipment and raw material specifications, process flow diagrams and manufacturing details, complete project financials and profitability analysis. Not just these, but we also support you with custom reports that's made for your needs. If you need to know more or in detail, you can contact us through the phone number or email provided in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for next video.